Hello children, how are you? Fine. Now I hope you understood very well about a current, voltage, resistance, heating effect of current and magnetic effect of current. Now today we are going to discuss about the electric bell, how it is work, what are the different parts of electric bell and where we use a electric bell. Now what is mean by electric bell? An electric bell is a mechanical or electronic bell that functions by means of an electromagnet. By means of an electromagnet, when an electric current is applied, it produces a repetitive buzzing or ringing sound. So what is electric bell? Electric bell is a mechanical or electronic bell. It functions by means of an electromagnet. When an electric current is applied, it produces a ringing sound. Now you see the structure of a electric bell. Here bell, striker, contact, switch and spring is present. Now you again see the structure, that is your bell, striker, contact, switch and the spring. What are the parts of electric bell? The important parts of an electric bells are electromagnet, armature, spring, armature rod, hammer, gong. Important parts of an electric bells are electromagnet, armature, spring, armature rod, hammer and gong. These are the important part of electric bell. Now, how it work? When the current flow through the electromagnet, when the current flow through the electromagnet, it gets magnetized and it attract the iron strip. It attract the iron strip, and as a result, the hammer attract to the strip, strike the gong and producing the sound. So when the current flow through the electromagnet, it get magnetized and it attract the iron strip. As a result, the hammer attached to the strip strikes the gong and producing the sound. The pull from the electromagnet break the circuit and the strip will move to a normal position due to the spring action. The process gets repeated as long as the current continue to flow through the circuit. So when the current is flowing in the circuit, it magnetized, attack the iron strip. As a result, the hammer attached to the strip strike the gong and producing the sound. Now you see what are the electric bell used for. Electromechanical bells have been widely used at railroad crossing. Mostly where we use it, railroad crossing, in telephones, wire, burglar alarms, as school bells, doorbells and alarms in industrial plants. Since the late 1800s, but they are not being widely replaced by the electronic sound. So we can use this electric bell in telephones, wire, school bells, doorbells and alarms in the industrial plants from so many years. Now what is mean by electromagnet? Electromagnets are made up of coil of wire with electricity passes passing through them. Electromagnets are made up of coils of wire with electricity passing through them. Moving charge create magnetic fields. So, when the coils of wire in an electromagnet have an electric current passing through them, the coil behave like a magnet. So, what is electromagnet? Electromagnets are made up of coil of wire with electricity passing through them. Moving charge creates magnetic field, so when the coils of wire in an electromagnet have an electric current passing through them, the coil behave like a magnet. Now you see the structure of a electromagnet. Here the coil is bended over this. Now you see the uses of electromagnet. Electromagnets are very widely used in electric or electromechanical devices. Electromagnets are widely used in electric and electromechanical devices including motor and generators, transformers, relays, electric bell and buzzers, loudspeaker and headphone, actuators such as bells, magnetic recording and data storage equipment. So, electromagnets are used in motors and generator, transformer, loudspeaker, headphones and magnetic recording and data storage equipment. So that is all about electric bell, how it is work, where it is used, electromagnet and uses of electromagnet. I hope you understood about all these things. Now, thank you.